Okay, let's look at the laws of indices, and we'll start with what we know. So let's have a look at what we learned in year 7 indices. And in year 7 we would have looked something as simple as this: 2 to the power of 2 equals 2 times 2 in expanded form, and as a basic numeral that's 4. Let's have a look above that. We can go to 2 to the 3, and we got 2 times 2 times 2, again in expanded form, and we have 8. And we go again one more higher, 2 to the 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and we end up with 16. Okay, so these are the basic forms that we know of indices. These are also called exponents. And indices, for one indices we call it an index, and it's also called power. So I need to know all these different words. Okay, so let's keep going now. Let's go 2 to the 1, and we know 2 to the 1 is just timesing, well, just being itself, and we get 2. And now the question comes, what do we do when we get 2 to the 0? The common answer here is 0. Now, let's have a look if it really is 0. Okay, let's look up here at the 16. Now when we go from 16 to 8, and 8 to 4, and 4 to 2, what are we seeing? What is the pattern? What's happening each time? Well, let's have a look. We're dividing by 2, which is the base number. And we're dividing by 2 again, because we're dividing by 2 again, because we're multiplying 1 less 2 each time. So what should we do when we come down to 0? Well, follow the pattern. We should divide by 2. And so that produces 1 instead of 0. So it does not equal 0. It equals 1. And this applies for any type of number. So if we had, for example, 3 to the 0, it was the same as equaling 4 to the 0, or 5 to the 0, or even 6 to the 0. It all